Hello students, today I am going to begin a new chapter in physics, surface tension. So first you know that what is cohesive and adhesive forces, because surface tension it is the property of molecules, molecules which are lying on the free surface of the liquid. So what is cohesive force? One is cohesive force, you must be aware about this, and other is the adhesive force. Cohesive force is the force of attraction. It is the intermolecular force between the molecules of same type. Force between the molecules of same type, that is called the cohesive force. Adhesive force is what? It is the force between the molecules of the different type of substances. जो intermolecular force different type of substances के molecules के बीच में होता है, that will be the adhesive force. For example, when you are pasting a paper on some other surface, then you use a Fevicol. So the force of attraction between the molecules of Fevicol and molecules of paper, that will be the adhesive force. It is clear. While if you take two papers and compress them highly, what will happen? They will almost stick together, means they will be almost sticking together, and the force between them will be the cohesive force. So it is the force of attraction, intermolecular force between the molecules of same substance, intermolecular force between the molecules of different substance. Now one question arises that one molecule can attract to other molecule up to what distance? एक मॉलिक्यूल कितनी डिस्टेंस तक के मॉलिक्यूल को अट्रैक्ट कर सकता है? सो इट इज द मीन्स द रेंज ऑफ मॉलिक्यूलर एक्टिविटी, range of molecular activity. As you know that if you take two magnets and if the magnets are kept very far from each other, what will happen? You will find that one magnet will not attract or repel to the other magnet. If these are the like poles, then they will repel, unlike poles, then they will attract. But when you bring the same magnet to the nearby distance, what will happen? They will start attracting or repelling. The same thing is true with the charges. If we take two positive charges, two negative charges or opposite charges, then when they are at a far distance, we will find that they will not exert the force on one another. So in the same way, intermolecular force is also having a definite range. ये ऐसा नहीं है कि एक मॉलिक्यूल यहाँ पर है और दूसरा मॉलिक्यूल यहाँ पर है, देन दे विल अट्रैक्ट और दे विल अट्रैक्ट. इट्स क्लियर. हियर वी विल फाइंड दैट दे विल नॉट अट्रैक्ट. नाउ व्हाट इज द साइज ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल? सो एज यू नो दैट साइज ऑफ एटम्स इज 10 to the power -10 meter. It's clear. Before knowing the range of molecular activity, you know the size of molecule. 10 to the power -10 meter, it is the size of the atom, means the radius of the atom, diameter of the atom, means the size of molecule. Molecule is also made up of what? It is made up of the atoms. It is made up of the atoms. So that will also be nearly to this distance. It's clear. That is here it is how much nanometer? If you see, it is 0.1 nanometer. 0.1 nanometer. Now the range of molecular activity 10 to the power -9 meter, means एक मॉलिक्यूल अपने से 10 to the power -9 मीटर तक की डिस्टेंस पर जितने दूसरे मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं उनको क्या कर लेगा? अट्रैक्ट कर लेगा. सपोज एक मॉलिक्यूल ये है and the other molecules are placed here. Here these are the other molecules which are placed here. It's clear. All these molecules are lying within 10 to the power -9 meter. Means this distance is less than or equal to 10 power -9 meter. This distance is equal to less than or equal to 10 power -9 meter. So what will happen? This molecule will attract to this and this will attract to this. Whether it is same type of molecules, means molecules of same substances, are molecules of different substances. A molecule attracts to the other molecule only up to 10 to the power minus 9 meter distance. It is clear? Both will attract to each other. Means if you draw a sphere of radius 10 to the power minus 9 meter, taking this as center, here I have drawn a sphere. It's clear? And it is supposed completely this filled molecule, this sphere is completely filled with the molecules. So what will happen? We will find that this molecule which is situated at the center, it will be attracted equally in all the direction. In all the direction it will be attracted by the other molecules. And what will be the net force on this molecule which is situated at the center of a sphere? That will be 0. This is called the sphere of molecular activity. This distance is very small. It is 1 nanometer. But if you see the size of molecule, it is also very small. Size of molecule is also very small. It is clear? So, what is the range of molecular activity? It is 1 nanometer. Now, see here. Now, we will come over the surface tension. What is surface tension? So, you see here. First, I will give you some examples. From those examples, you can see here surface tension, it is the property of free surface of liquid. What is the free surface? Free surface means the surface which is in contact of the air. For example, this is a container, and in this container you have filled some liquid. Here some liquid has been filled. It's clear? Here this is. So this is the free surface. Here this will be the free surface, topmost layer which is in contact of the air. That is called the free surface of the liquid. It is called the surface film. What is the width of the surface film? It is 10 to the power minus 9 meter, means equal to the molecular range. It's clear? So it is the property of the molecules which are lying on the free surface, not which are lying within in the bulk. In the bulk means जहाँ पर बहुत सारी molecules हैं. It is the property of those molecules which are lying over the surface, over the free surface of the liquid, not which is situated inside the liquid, not which is situated present within the bulk of the molecules. It is clear? So here it is the property of molecules which are situated on the liquid surface. And what is the property? According to this property, liquid surface is having, means the free surface is having a tendency of contracting. It is having a tendency of shrinking. Tendency of contracting, tendency of shrinking means liquid surface will try to have the minimum surface area. लिक्विड सरफेस की क्या प्रॉपर्टी होती है कि वो मिनिमम सरफेस एरिया एक्वायर करना चाहता है. it is trying to acquire the minimum surface area. And why it is trying to acquire the minimum surface area? Here we know that the for stability of any system, whether it is the system of solid molecules, liquid molecules, anything. For stability of any system, potential energy should be minimum. Potential energy of that system is minimum. It's clear? Means the surface will be in the stable state only when the potential energy of the surface is minimum, and that is possible only when the potential energy of molecules is minimum, and that will take place only when there are lesser number of molecules on the surface. There are lesser number of molecules on the surface. So what is surface tension? It is the property of free surface of liquid, by virtue of which it is trying to acquire the minimum possible area. It's clear? It is trying to acquire the minimum possible area. It is trying to have, it is having a tendency of contracting. Now this you can see from various examples. Suppose this is a shaving brush or any brush of painting brush that you can see here, and these are the hairs of the brush. These are hairs. Here some hairs have been shown here. You will find that as long as it is inside the water, what will happen? These hairs will be separated. They will be separated, but when you take out from the water, what will happen? They will cling together. वो एक दूसरे से चिपक जाएंगे. As long as it is inside water, these hairs are separated. But when you will take it out, they will cling together. Why it is so? Because when it is inside the water, there is a water film. Here I am showing here in between two hairs here. Similar water film will be in between other hairs also. For example, here you can see one hair is this, other hair is this. So here there will be a water film. It is clear? So as soon as you will take it out, it is inside the water. Now when you will take it out from water, what will happen? This water film will have a tendency of shrinking. ये क्या है? वाटर फिल्म ये क्या करेगी? श्रिंक करना चाहेगी. श्रिंक कैसे कर सकती है? व्हेन द मॉलिक्यूल्स अट्रैक्ट टू ईच अदर. जब एक मॉलिक्यूल दूसरे मॉलिक्यूल को क्या करे? अट्रैक्ट करे. वाटर का एक मॉलिक्यूल वाटर के दूसरे मॉलिक्यूल पर एक फोर्स ऑफ कोहेशन एक्सर्ट करे. इट इज क्लियर? Means surface tension force will be a cohesive force, you can say. When one molecule here, when you will take it out, I am showing here, you have taken it out from the water, and this is the water film. It's clear, in between two hairs. You can see here, this is one hair is this and other hair is this, and this is, you can see, this is the water film. It is contact of air in this side as well as in this side. Now the water molecules which will be present here, you try to feel this thing. Here this is the water film. In between these two hairs there is the water film. Now the molecules of water will try to attract each other. They will try to attract each other. And what will happen? Because of that, these hairs will cling together. They will cling together, मतलब एक दूसरे से चिपक जाएंगे. It is clear? So see here, here you have seen that the film has been destroyed as soon as you have taken out this painting brush from the water. Now see here, there is another example. Here this is a rectangular frame. You can see the frame like this. I have taken a frame like this. It is clear? This is a rectangular frame, and you immerse it, dip it inside the soap solution. When you will immerse it inside the soap solution, what will happen? A soap film will be formed. Here within this, a soap film will be formed. I have arranged in this way. So soap film will be formed throughout the boundary of this rectangular frame. That you can see, this is a very simple example. Inside the soap solution, you immerse it and take out, you will find that a soap film will be formed here, whose boundary is this. Now see here, now you take a cotton thread, and that cotton thread also you wet with the soap solution, not the dry cotton thread. You take the cotton thread, make the loop of that cotton thread, मतलब उसके दोनों एंड को हम क्या कर लें? बांध लें. मतलब ये एक क्या है? एंडलेस लूप है. इट इज ए लूप. इट इज ए लूप. देन यू वेट टू दिस कॉटन थ्रेड विद द सोप सोल्यूशन. मतलब इस कॉटन थ्रेड को सोप सोल्यूशन से क्या कर लें? भिगो लें. एंड देन यू जेंटली कीप इट ओवर दिस सोप फिल्म विच हैज फॉर्म्ड हियर. हियर आई एम शोइंग दिस इज सोप फिल्म. नाउ दिस loop of wet cotton thread has been placed here. What will happen? You will find that it will lie in this way, in the irregular manner. in a irregular manner it will be there. Now you take a pin and then you prick to this film which is inside the cotton thread. What will happen? You will find that this loop will now take a circular shape. It will take a circular shape. It's clear. What will you find? If you take a pin, prick the film which is inside the cotton thread, what will happen? It will take the circular shape, means it will be like this. Here I am showing from the other diagram. You can see here, it will be something like this. This is the rectangular frame and cotton thread will take the circular shape, and here outside this loop and within the periphery, within the boundary of this rectangular frame, there will be the soap film. Soap film will be present here. Now why it is so? This is also because of the molecular activity, and you can see here, you take some molecules of the liquid because you have already wet to this loop from the soap solution, therefore there will be the soap molecules here. These are the soap molecules which are lying on the surface, on the boundary of on the loop. These are the soap molecules which are lying on the loop. Now these molecules will be attracted by the other soap molecules in the either side. These soap molecules will be attracted, the soap moleculs which are inside the loop, they will be attracted by the other soap molecules in the of the film. Means जो soap molecule इधर ये एक molecule है, it will be attracted in this side as well as attracted in this side. If you see to this, it will be attracted in this side as well as in this. Here also it will be attracted in either side. It's clear? Attracted in either side. But when you will prick the inside film with the pin, the inner film will be destroyed. इस जो ये अंदर वाली फिल्म है वो क्या हो जाएगी? डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएगी. That inner film will be destroyed. क्योंकि ये क्या है? ऐसा, though we say that the free surface behaves like a stretched membrane, पर इसकी स्ट्रेंथ उतनी नहीं होती है जितनी क्या है, तुमने देखा हो ट्रैम्पोलिन. ट्रैम्पोलिन मीन्स जिस पर क्या है हम जंप करते हैं, सो हम लोगों को बाउंस मिलता है. सो उतनी स्ट्रेंथ नहीं होती है इस फिल्म की. स्लाइटली as soon as you will increase the force, what will happen? It will break. So when you will prick it with the pin, what will happen? The inner film will be destroyed. When the inner film will be destroyed, means there will be no molecule inside the loop. लूप के अंदर कोई भी मॉलिक्यूल नहीं होंगे, और लूप के अंदर कोई भी मॉलिक्यूल नहीं है. लूप के बाहर सोप के मॉलिक्यूल्स अभी भी है, अभी भी वो अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. एंड सिंस इट इज अट्रैक्टेड इक्वली इन ऑल द डायरेक्शन, सो व्हाट विल हैपन? इट विल टेक ए सर्कुलर शेप. नाउ सी हियर, here I will show you that this is also because of the surface tension. ये भी surface tension के कारण है. Why it is so? So first you see once again, surface tension is what? According to this, free surface of liquid is trying to have the minimum possible area. Now suppose the length of this loop thread is 10 centimeter. Length of this loop thread is 10 सेंटीमीटर. इस थ्रेड के लूप की लेंथ क्या है? 10 सेंटीमीटर है. अब एक बार हमने उसको सर्किल का शेप दे दिया है, एक बार हमने क्या कर दिया है? आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल का शेप दे दिया है. वंस आई हैव गिवन द शेप ऑफ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. इट्स क्लियर? वंस आई हैव गिवन द शेप ऑफ स्क्वायर. In every case, what will be same? Length of loop will remain 10 centimeter. In every case, perimeter will be same. Here perimeter is circumference. Here perimeter is sum of all the three sides. Here perimeter will be sum of all the three sides. Here perimeter will be sum of all the four sides. Perimeter will remain same in every case. Perimeter will be 10 centimeter. If you find out area of all the figures, you will find that circle will acquire the maximum area. Means एक given length के लिए अगर एक given length का thread है और या given length का wire है and you bent it like once like rectangle. Here this is a wire and it is once bent in the form of rectangle, then in the form of circle, then in the form of triangle. So you will find that circle will have maximum area, and when from a given area maximum area film will be destroyed, what will happen? The area of the film which will be left, that will be minimum. Area of film which will be left, that will be minimum. It is clear. So here this is also the consequence of the surface tension. Because of the surface tension, this wet loop thread takes the circular shape when the film inside to it is destroyed. It is clear. Now you take one more example. Though the surface tension force will not be very large, it is clear. We can destroy the film very easily. It is a very delicate film. It is clear. ये क्या है? Behaving like the stretched membrane, but it is not a strong membrane. ये ऐसी membrane नहीं है जैसे तुम्हारे स्कूल ड्रम में पीटी के समय जब जो ड्रम यूज किया जाता है उसमें जो membrane लगी है उसकी स्ट्रेंथ है. उसमें हम क्या है बड़ी अधिक फोर्स से क्या है हैमर को मारते हैं, उस डंडे से उस मेम्ब्रेन को पीटते हैं. बट व्हाट विल हैपन? दैट डू नॉट ब्रेक. हियर दिस इज द लिक्विड फिल्म. इट इज क्लियर. सो इट इज नॉट हैविंग सो मच स्ट्रेंथ. नाउ यू सी अनदर एग्जाम्पल. हियर सपोज दिस इज द surface of liquid. This is the surface of the liquid and I have taken a needle, a light needle, जो सुई तागा वाली निडिल होती है, सबने देखा होगा. यू टेक ए वेरी लाइट निडिल. इट्स क्लियर. इफ यू टेक ए दैट जिसको कहते हैं कीला कहते हैं, अगर हम वो लेंगे तो सो दैट विल बी हेवियर. सो वी विल नॉट टेक दैट मच हेवी. वी विल टेक ए वेरी लाइट निडिल एंड देन you take that needle, you immerse that needle inside the that what you can say in the oil or greased needle. मतलब इसके ऊपर एक ग्रीस लगा दें. सपोज दिस इज द निडिल और निडिल के ऊपर हमने क्या कर दिया, एक ग्रीस लगा दिया, मोबिल ऑयल लगा दिया. इट्स क्लियर. एंड देन जेंटली यू कीप इट ओवर द दिस वाटर सरफेस. Gently you keep it over the water surface. It is clear. Here I am showing only the cross-sectional view of the needle. If you see what will be the cross-sectional view, cross-section means that surface which is perpendicular to the length. Needle की length क्या है? ये है. What is the cross-section? This surface. This circular surface is the cross-section. It is clear. So when you will place the needle gently over the water surface, what will happen? You will find that here a depression will be formed. A depression will be formed. मतलब यहाँ पर एक क्या हो जाएगा, एक डिप्रेशन फॉर्म हो जाएगा, ये नीचे दब जाएगा. मीन्स इट इज जस्ट लाइक ए डिम्पल. इट्स क्लियर. डिम्पल मीन्स डिम्पल बाबा नहीं, मतलब जो गालों पर क्या होते हैं छोटे बच्चों के रहते हैं. सो व्हाट विल हैपन? ए डिप्रेशन विल बी फॉर्म्ड हियर. नाउ you can see here I am showing the cross sectional view of the this needle. Yes, now it is. Here we will see that this needle keep on floating on the water surface. When we have taken a very light needle, greased it with the some oil, mobile oil or some oil, and place it gently over the water surface. What will happen? It will keep on floating on the water surface. Why it is keep on floating? Whether it is keep on floating because of the that buoyant force, so no. It is not floating because of the buoyant force. Because buoyant force will come into effect only when it is dipped inside. पर ये अंदर क्या है, डूबी नहीं है. This needle is not immersed inside the water. Buoyant force will come into effect. Suppose if you immerse any object partly or wholly inside the liquid, what will happen? Then only buoyant force will come into effect. It's clear? But here you will find that no portion of liquid is inside water. Then why it is floating here? Though it should, here it should sink in it. इसको क्या है, इसके अंदर डूब जाना चाहिए, सिंक कर जाना चाहिए. Why? Because its density is nearly 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. Density of water is only 1 gram per centimeter cube. And you know, if you place a denser object, if the density of object is more than the density of water, what will happen? It will sink in that. But it is not sinking. Why it is so? So it is because of the surface tension. This needle is balanced here because of the surface tension force. Now you can see here, as we already I have told, surface tension force is what? Here, free surface of liquid, it behaves like a stretched membrane. It is having a tendency of contracting. यहां पर क्या होता है, मॉलिक्यूल्स एक दूसरे को क्या कर रहे होते हैं, सरफेस के अट्रैक्ट कर रहे होते हैं. इट्स क्लियर? मीन्स अगर ये सरफेस है, दिस इज द सरफेस, so one molecule will attract to other molecule. Here these are the two molecules. ये वाला molecule इसको attract करेगा and this one will attract to this. It's clear? Means a tangential force will act to the surface. A tangential force will act at the surface. Means you can say that the surface tension force acts tangentially to the free surface. Surface tension force acts tangentially to the free surface. Now when you have kept this needle, a depression is formed here. You can see here a depression has formed here. This is the depression. अब क्या है, यहां के भी मॉलिक्यूल्स एक दूसरे को अट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सो व्हाट विल हैपन? ए फोर्स विल एक्ट हियर इन दिस डायरेक्शन. ए सरफेस टेंशन फोर्स विल एक्ट हियर इन दिस डायरेक्शन. Now we can resolve this surface tension force into two components. One which is along the free surface, other which is normal to the free surface. This component is along the free surface, while this component is normal to the free surface. It is clear? Here also it is along the free surface and this is normal to the free surface. Its weight is acting downward. What will happen? Weight will be balanced by the sum of these two forces. Weight will be balanced by the surface tension forces. It's clear? Component of surface tension forces acting normal to the film. Because its weight will be very, very less. It is a very light needle. That's why these surface tension forces, means the component of surface tension forces will balance to the weight and it will keep on floating. It's clear? Now you can take some more examples here of the surface tension. Now see here if you see the shape of a soap bubble, अगर हम soap bubble का shape देखें, why it is spherical? सोप बबल का शेप स्फेरिकल क्यों होता है? इट इज व्हाई इट इज नॉट इन द ओवल शेप. ये ओवल शेप में क्यों नहीं होता, किसी दूसरे शेप में क्यों नहीं होता? व्हाई इट इज स्फेरिकल? सो सी हियर दिस इज ए रूल फॉर ए गिवन वॉल्यूम. फॉर ए गिवन वॉल्यूम, स्फीयर हैज minimum surface area. Minimum surface area. SA means surface area. Now see here what is the meaning of surface area. here this is a sphere, this is the sphere, just like the shape of football. This will be the surface area. It's clear? This is the surface area. What will be its surface area? 4 pi r square, where r is what? R is its radius. It's clear? Now here this is a cylinder. You can see here, this is a cylinder. Its base is circular. Surface area will be area of this circle plus area of this circle plus area of this curved surface. Area of this curved surface. It's clear? Then we have taken a conical shape. Already you have studied this. Here this is a circular shape, and then here this is the conical shape. Here we have taken these three solids in such a way that their volume is same. All are having equal volume. यहाँ भी कितना वॉल्यूम है मटेरियल का टोटल? इट इज 100 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. Here also it is 100 centimeter cube. Here also it is 100 centimeter cube. We will find that the surface area will be minimum in which case? It will be minimum in case of sphere. In case of sphere, it will have the minimum surface. So that's why when the soap bubbles are formed, they acquire the spherical shape. It's clear? Because when their shape will be spherical, their surface area will be minimum. Surface area will be minimum means there will be minimum number of molecules on the surface. There will be minimum number of molecules on the free surface which is in contact of the air. It's clear? And when there will be minimum other molecules will be in the interior. इंटीरियर का मतलब ये नहीं कि यहां पर होंगे. इट्स क्लियर? व्हेन वी से सोप फिल्म, देन हियर दीज आर one film is in this side. I am showing here. Inside there will be the air. This is the one free surface of the film. This is the inner free surface of the film, because from inside also it will be in contact. And here also there will be the soap molecules. Here also there will be the films. It's clear? इन दो फिल्म्स के बीच में भी कई फिल्म्स होंगी. Because already I have told that what is the thickness of the film? It is 10 to the power minus 9 मीटर. हम माइक्रोस्कोपिक लेवल पर सोचें, माइक्रोस्कोपिक लेवल पर उसको ऑब्जर्व करने की कोशिश करें. So we will find that one film is this, another film is this, and in between these two also there will be the molecules. It is clear? So see here, what will happen? Soap surface will acquire to have the minimum surface. It will take the spherical shape, so that there are the minimum number of molecules on the surface. There are minimum number of molecules on the surface. When there will be minimum number of molecules, their potential energy will be minimum. Potential energy will be minimum, therefore this surface will remain stable. ये stable रहेगा. और जब तक हम prick ना करें, what will happen? It will not be destroyed. It will not be destroyed. Similarly, if you take the drops of liquid, if you have used the burette or pipette, so in burette and pipette we have seen in chemistry lab, you can see that liquid falls drop by drop from the burette or pipette. Liquid क्या है? ये drop by drop fall करता है. Now if you see the shape of this drop will be spherical. It is also because of the same region. Why small water drops are spherical in shape? Because of the surface tension. Because of the surface tension, they acquire a spherical surface. And when they will acquire a spherical surface, the surface area will be minimum, potential energy of this drop will be minimum, and it will be in the stability. It's clear? But see here, if this is a drop of bigger molecule, bigger size liquid drop, it is a bigger size liquid drop, then we will find that this bigger size liquid drop will not be spherical in shape. ये बिगर साइज लिक्विड ड्रॉप स्फेरिकल शेप में नहीं होगी. व्हाई? बिकॉज नाउ हियर पोटेंशियल एनर्जी विल बी डिसाइडेड बाय टू फैक्ट्स. हियर आल्सो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी विल बी डिसाइडेड बाय both the facts, which are I am going to tell here. One, gravitational potential energy, and another is the potential energy of molecules which are lying on the surface. But here this potential energy which is due to the molecules on surface, that will be significant. Gravitational potential energy will be very small. It will be very small because of a small value of h. But here you can see, here it cannot be taken small because this height is significant. It's clear? So in order to reduce this, it will try to reduce the value of h. In order to reduce the potential energy, it will try to reduce the value of h, and in that case it will become flattened. It will become flattened, means इसका shape क्या हो जाएगा? Flat हो जाएगा. So small water drops are spherical in shape, but bigger size drops are not spherical in shape. Now you can take one more example of mosquito. Mosquito is floating on the free surface of water. It is also because of the surface tension. Just you have seen in case of the needle. See here, if you see, suppose this is any mosquito here. हमने यहाँ पर एक मस्कीटो बना दिया है. एंड ये उसके पैर हैं. So when it sits on the water surface, what will happen? Here a dimple, that depression will be found. Not dimple, dimple is not the correct word. Depression will be found. And when depression will be found, so what will happen? Surface tension force will act. Surface tension force will act in this direction, as well as tangential to here, this tangential to this surface. Here it will act in this direction as well as in this direction. Their vertical components will balance to the weight of this mosquito. Mosquito is not very heavy. It's clear? इसका weight बहुत अधिक नहीं है. So what will happen? It will be balanced. But if you sprinkle some kerosene oil in the water, अक्सर हम लोगों ने देखा होगा कि जहाँ पर वाटर स्टोर होता है, जहाँ वाटर स्टोर होता है, जैसे नाली है, नाली में हम लोग क्या डाल देते हैं? केरोसिन ऑयल डालते हैं. सो व्हाट विल हैपन? एज सुन एज यू विल स्प्रिंकल केरोसिन ऑयल, व्हाट विल हैपन? दीज मस्किटोज विल नॉट बी एबल टू सिट ओवर द वाटर सरफेस. ये मस्किटोज वाटर सरफेस के ऊपर बैठ नहीं पाएंगे. क्यों नहीं बैठ पाएंगे? उसका रीजन क्या है? बिकॉज द सरफेस टेंशन फोर्स, surface tension will be decreased. Surface tension will be decreased means this force will not be able to balance the weight, and when this force will not be able to balance the weight, तो क्या होगा? मस्किटो आएगा, बैठने की कोशिश करेगा, पर वो डूबने लगेगा तो वो फिर से उड़ जाएगा. मस्किटो आया, वाटर सरफेस पर बैठने की कोशिश किया, पर वो उसको लगा कि वो तो डूबने जा रहा है, सो फिर से वो क्या है? अपनी पूरी पावर लगा के उड़ गया. इट्स क्लियर? सो ऑल दीज phenomena are because of the surface tension or the consequences of the surface tension. So see here, what is surface tension? You can see once again, surface tension, it is the property of free surface of liquid, not of the bulk molecules. Bulk मतलब जो liquid के अंदर है उनकी property नहीं है. It is the property of those molecules which are lying on the surface of the liquid. What is the property? Because of this property, liquid surface is trying to acquire the minimum surface area. It's clear? means liquid surface is trying to contract, it is trying to shrink. It is clear? It is behaving like a stretched membrane. It is clear? Now what is the reason of this? It is because of the peculiar behavior of liquid molecules. We will see that the liquid molecules which are lying on the surface, they possess some extra energy as compared to the molecules which are inside the liquid. It's clear? In the next lecture we will see that the molecules which are completely inside the liquid, जो अंदर हैं, बल्क में हैं, उनकी एनर्जी कम होती है, और जो सरफेस पर हैं उनकी एनर्जी क्या होती है? अधिक होती है. दे possess more energy. So this was the qualitative meaning of the surface tension. Now I am going to explain you what is the quantitative meaning. So as already I have told that surface tension force, it acts, surface tension, it is a force. It is a force between the molecules. Surface tension force, it acts tangentially to the surface of the liquid. It's clear? Suppose this is a liquid surface. How will you measure this? And here we have drawn an imaginary line over the liquid surface. Some imaginary line has been considered over the liquid surface, and here I am representing some molecules over this imaginary line. In the other side, here this is the free surface. This is the free surface. It is clear? मतलब दोनों तरफ क्या है? मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं. इस लाइन के ऊपर भी मॉलिक्यूल्स होंगे. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन? These molecules which are lying over this line, they will be attracted in this direction as well as attracted in the other direction. They will be attracted in the other direction also. It's clear? Here if we assume that these are attracted by the force F and length of the line is L. It's clear? Here force will always act normal to the line. Length of line is L, means what is this length? This length is equal to L. So what is surface tension force? Surface tension force, surface tension is numerically defined as the force acting per unit length, normal force per unit length. It's clear? Or force acting per unit length perpendicular to the imaginary line drawn on the liquid surface. It is what? Force acting per unit length. Normal to an imaginary line. Drawn on the liquid surface. The liquid surface. Here you can increase one more word, force acting tangentially. To surface. Though you will not get this term, this part tangentially to the surface, but surface tension force acts tangentially to the surface. Force acting tangentially to surface per unit length, normal to an imaginary line, means the force is acting normal to this line. It is acting tangentially to the surface. सरफेस के, सपोज सरफेस क्या है, इस बोर्ड पर है, तो फोर्स इस तरफ नहीं लग रहा, फोर्स तुम्हारी तरफ नहीं लग रहा, फोर्स क्या है? इट इज एक्टिंग लाइक दिस. So what will be the surface tension? T equals to F upon L. It's clear? This is the quantitative definition of the surface tension. What will be its unit? So it is in Newton, it is in meters, so it is Newton per meter. If you see the dimensional formula, what will be? MLT minus 2 into this is L minus 1. So it will be MT minus 2. It is MT minus 2. So this is the one way of defining surface tension. One way of defining surface tension in terms of the tangential force acting per unit length on an imaginary line drawn on the liquid surface. We can define surface tension quantitatively in terms of the surface energy also. So that we will do in the next lecture. Thank you.